Hey everybody, it's Tim from Full Spectrum Laser. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to make one of our free projects. Seeing as how this Sunday is Mother's Day, we'll make our newly released Mother's Day project. First, we'll go to the Full Spectrum Laser website, fslaser.com. Next, we'll navigate to our free projects page. We have over 100 projects to choose from, but today, we're making this Mother's Day sign. All we have to do is click the download link and download our PDF. Now we'll bring it into RE3. This is a cut file only, there are no engravings, so when we import it, all we need is the vector data. You'll notice that there are two vector colors in this file, red and black. The black we want to cut through, and the red we just want to mark. So we'll turn our power on the red way down. We used a 48x36 Pro Series machine for this, and our power settings were speed 65, power 85, and current 75. For smaller machines such as the Muse Core or Muse 3D, you'll likely need to up the power and lower the speed. Also, as we used 1/4-inch birch plywood, you may need multiple passes. Once everything is cut out, we'll collect all our pieces and get our paint supplies out. But before I started painting, I sanded down the edges of my slats, so there was a more noticeable seam. This is totally optional, but I like the effect because it makes it look kinda like a fence. Keeping with the fence look, I started off painting with a whitewash. I'm just getting a light coating of white on my brush and dry brushing over the wood. You want to keep some of that wood color showing through. Next, we'll take a nice green and paint our little wreath guy here. After that, I kinda went nuts with the colors. Feel free to use whatever colors you want here. There are no wrong answers. After the text and flowers were painted, I used some stain for the frame. A little bit of stain goes a long way, so don't use too much and wipe off any excess after you brush it on. Now that the frame was done, I looked up some reference for the butterflies. Again, you don't have to go crazy like I did. You could just make them a nice solid color. Me, I like to torture myself and make things way more complicated than they need to be. Also, it's for Mom, so I didn't want to take the easy way out. Now that everything is painted, we can start assembling it. I started with the wreath. I used super glue for all the little pieces. Once that was done, I grabbed the wood glue so I could attach the frame to the background. I noticed while brushing on the glue that the frame was a bit warped, so I was going to either need some clamps or something heavy to keep everything flat. I settled for a pair of big stone slabs we had in the laser lab. That should do it. After about an hour, I lifted the slabs to finish assembling. And there you have it, your very own Mother's Day gift. Feel free to customize your own text and show us what you came up with when you're done. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments or reach out to us on Facebook. I hope everyone has a happy Mother's Day, and until next time, keep making.